Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be making a doll dress to go with a limited edition Barbie Millicent Roberts collection that I got from eBay. So I got this set from eBay about a year ago and I wanted a beige outfit to go with it, and they do actually have a beige outfit in this brand to match this set, but it was $70 and I didn't want to pay that, you know. And now that I know how to sew, I feel like I can make an outfit to go with this. So I'm super excited to make a dress, a fall dress to match this set. So if you want to see this set and the outfit I'm going to make for it, just keep on watching. So first, let's have a look at the set. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is how the set looks when I first pull it out of the box. This set is from 1997. So it's in good condition. Barbie clothes, well, accessories to be exact. It comes with this really cute shawl that has leopard print. And I love how when you cut one tie from the old Barbie accessory packs, it just takes off everything with one string like this, and it doesn't make holes. Nowadays you don't really see that much, and the quality is really nice, and it's fabric and it feels beautiful, and I love it. It's so gorgeous. I want to wrap it around my doll's head, like kind of like how you see people wrap their scarves around the head. It's so cute. And then they have this Barbie Millicent Roberts bag. This was a tote bag, so this is like a travel bag, which I think is super cute and I love it. And this comes apart with the same type of thread method, and I feel like they should bring this method back because the doll stuff doesn't get messed up. That's just what makes this special. And it's a limited edition bag, and it does open up with snap ties and you can put stuff inside. Right now it has stuffing paper, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that back up. The other bag right here, I'm going to cut it out, has a snap opening as well. And I just look at this, look at the details of this bag. It reminds me of MCM, but instead of MCM is Barbie Millicent Roberts, and it's so pretty. And I love the detailing and the stitching. You see the stitching on the side and the back, so beautiful. And you know, I kept it in the box for a long time because, you know, I do doll photography and I've been wanting to use this for a very long time, and then I finally get the chance now to use it, and I'm very happy. It's so beautiful. Like, I want to get more of these Barbie Robert Millicent bags sets. They do have more on the back, and now that I know how to sew, I kind of want to get this one that's red with a pretty scarf, and they have this one that's black and white. I do want to try to get that one too. It's very pretty and I love it. And they have one in green as well right here in the corner right here, and it's so pretty. And let's look at the shoes. I hope this fits my Kirby doll, because, you know, now that they changed the doll's sculpture, you know, we have our Kirby dolls, but you know, I think I can stretch it to where it will fit her feet, but I'm just hoping it will. And if not, I'll find a way to stretch the shoe. I've seen some people stretch shoes and they use a heating pad, and I do have a heating pad, so I'm going to try to attempt to put these in the heating pad. I'm not gonna do it on camera, I'm gonna do it off camera, but if I do have great success with it, I will do a tutorial on that. So these are the first pair. All right, so this is the next item right here, and it's another pair of shoes, and it's so cute because it's like some flat black loafers, and it's so cute. And I feel like they don't make Barbie shoes like this no more. This is very retro throwback. And look in the front how they have the gold accent right there, and it says BMR for Barbie Millicent Roberts. And then we have these gloves, which I want to take off very careful because I don't want to snag it, which is hard to do that because they used thread back in the day to put clothes down, which is really nice, and you don't mess up anything. And these are how the gloves look, and it has a black ribbon around there, and I love that. And the same thing for the other one as well. So beautiful. And I love the execution of these gloves, so pretty. I cannot wait to put that on my doll. And then these are what tops it off, the shades. So I love these shades. These shades are so pretty. These are the cool 90s Barbie shades, if you ask me. And then on the side it says BMR for Barbie Millicent Roberts. I know now we have the BMR dolls, and I feel like the BMR dolls are kind of like a 90s homage to Barbie Millicent Roberts collection, which is really cool. I do want to get one of those dolls soon. I have my eye on one of them that I'm probably going to order on Amazon. So yeah, so this is everything that came in that set. So now that we have everything from the set out of the packaging, let's go ahead and make an outfit for this. Okay, so to make this outfit, I'm going to be using this beautiful beige material that I got from Walmart. It's a fat quarter, and it's an 18 by 21 inch fat quarter, solid, and I love it. And it's in the color brown sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the sticker off of the fabric and open it up. Okay, and once I do that, I fold the fabric in half down about 6.5 inches from the bottom of the fabric, the end of the fabric where it is sealed. I love this fringe at the bottom, so I want to keep that for the bottom of the outfit that I'm making. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that in for the front part of our dress. Now all I need to do is just draw out the pattern for the dress. And for the pattern of the dress, I'm going to use my long sleeve shirt pattern because this pattern is really nice for what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to go ahead and take my marker and trace the pattern, but just don't trace the bottom because we are making this a dress. So pretty much I'm using my long sleeve pattern. If you want to know the measurements for this pattern, straight across from one side to the other is 9.5 inches. My sleeves across is 3 inches on each side. The middle part is 3 inches, and the end of my sleeve where the wrist part is 1.5 inches on both sides. And for the dress going down, I'm going to have to get those measurements once I'm done drawing the top part, because I'm using this top as a guide for how I like the dress to fit the doll. So I'm just sketching out the pattern. So once I sketched out the top of my long sleeve shirt pattern, I'm just going to take my ruler and sketch down to the rest of the dress, which is 5 inches if you guys want to know that measurement. And I'm going to make it even on both sides. So now that we have our pattern, we're going to go ahead and draw the little parts right here, because this helps it bend for the outfit when you do this. So let's go ahead and cut this out. Okay, now that we have our pattern cut out, I'm going to take the fabric and fold it in half to make the neckline. I always do the same steps because I find it very easy when you have a method that works for you. I feel like if it's not broke, don't fix it. Unless it's broken, then fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a short neckline because I want to make a turtleneck. So I don't want the neck hole to be large. So I'm just cutting a neck hole like that. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that out with my scissors. Okay, so now that we did that, we're going to open up the fabric. And then once we open up the fabric, we're going to go ahead and turn it to the raw side. And we're going to go ahead and hem the sides of the shirt right here and the sides of the shirt right here. And to hem it, to make it quicker, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my fabric glue. This has been really good with hemming small areas without having to use any stitching. So I'm going to go ahead and take fabric glue, and I'm going to go ahead and just go straight down with my fabric glue. I just take the ends and I hem it down like that. The only thing is that when you use fabric glue, it's best to wait till it dries to continue to your next step, because you don't want the excess glue to glue the arm piece together and then you end up with a glued arm piece and the doll's arm does not fit through the shirt. So I'm just evening out the hem to where it's even all the way across, and I'm going to do the same on the opposite side. And while that dries, I might as well go ahead and pick the back side that I want for the dress, which I'm going to go ahead and choose this side to be the back. Well, actually no, so now that I hem the sides, I'm going to go ahead and choose the back side of my dress, which is going to be the side that doesn't have this fringe at the bottom that I showed you guys that I like. Which is going to be this side. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissors and draw a straight line going straight down the middle of this dress. So I'm going to go ahead and go from the neckline, draw the line straight down, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that part. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up, and I cut a strip of that fringe end of the fabric square. It's about 4 1/4 inches long. You probably don't need this much, but I'd rather have more than less so it can show as a turtleneck on the right side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this down and sew all the way across around the neck. Like, hold this down. I'm going to sew all the way around here, and then once I do that, we'll go ahead and flip it up so it'll be a turtleneck. Alright, so once I sew the neckline right here to make the turtleneck, when I flip it to the good side, this is how it's going to look, and I love it. I think it's awesome. So now I'm going to flip it onto the raw side. I lined up each side, and I'm going to go ahead and sew from the bottom about here all the way to the end of the sleeve. Okay, so I sewed the sides of the dress. So now before I flip it to the good side, I'm going to take the bottom of this side of the dress where the opening is, and I'm going to hem it back with my fabric glue on both sides. And then also I'm going to add a Velcro to the back once I flip it to the good side. I'm going to let that dry, and then we're going to flip it to the good side to add Velcro. Okay, so I went ahead and Velcro the dress on the back. So now the dress is ready. So let's go ahead and put the accessories on the doll. Alright guys, so this is how that complete look came together. I love the dress with the accessories. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.